Hello everyone, this is Mahone3478 and I am doing take 2 of my how to be polite. Number 1 is do not, even on this side you see how there's no dishes on there, do not puke in here. Not a place to puke. I don't care if there is this many dishes or this much dishes or this much dishes. Don't puke in here, period. Not okay. Polite young ladies puke in a bag, or you can also puke in the trash can is another option. Great option. If you have to puke, definitely puke in the trash can. Or you can puke in a bucket. Another option is in a bucket. Or even in the toilet. But don't puke in here. Not in here. Nope. Not in here. Puke in here, in the trash can, or you can puke in the toilet. Okay? Or you can puke in the toilet. Okay? So, don't, if you have to sneeze or coughing into your what is this? In your elbow. And if you have to blow your nose and you don't have a tissue, do it in a baby wipe. If you don't have a tissue, do it in a baby wipe. Or you could do it on a piece of paper. But preferably a baby wipe. And then just dispose of the baby wipe and then wipe your hands with another baby wipe. Use a fresh baby wipe for each thing. So, again, puking in the sink, unacceptable. Anyway, bye.